Today's subject is Environmental Studies Part 1 of Standard 4th, and the name of the topic is Variety in Food. Yes students, what is the meaning of variety? Variety means different types. Okay, means here different types in food. Yes, see these vegetables. You know, these all are vegetables. You can see different types of vegetables here. Your mother goes to the market. She brings vegetables to prepare the different types of dishes in your meal. Isn't it? Yes, we will try to name some of the vegetables that we can see here. See, we can see tomatoes. We can see here cabbage, this green cabbage, red cabbage, here turnips and coriander leaves, carrots, potatoes, brinjal, corn, turnip, etc. Isn't it? You can see so many types of vegetables. And she prepares, means our mother prepares different dishes from a single vegetable too. We will take an example of aloo. Okay, means potato. We will take this example. Now she prepares aloo matar, aloo paneer, roasted aloo, aloo flower, aloo gobi, bangan aloo, stuffed aloo, etc. Isn't it? From one vegetable, she prepares different types of dishes of different tastes. Correct? This is called variety. Got this, students? Okay. We will see some more. See, these are called grains. Okay. We can see here rice, jawar, bajra, ragi, etc. Isn't it? Different types of rices are also there. And from one grain, we can make different types of dishes. Just now we gone through the example of aloo, correct? Like that we can use one grain and we can make different types of food. Okay, dishes. We will see, we will carry out one activity among these 12 students, and then we will come to know the means we can realize the various dishes can be made from the only one ingredient. We'll see. Here there are 12 students of your class. Okay. Now I am going to ask one question and I want answer from these students. The question is, name the dishes prepared from rice. Okay, rice is a grain. You all know rice. You eat rice daily, isn't it? Now I want the name of the dish that is prepared at your house by your mother by using rice. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. You have to write the name of the dish on your paper and you have to show it to me. Okay. Yes, all these 12 students, they are ready with their paper which has name of the dish that is prepared using rice. We'll go through one by one. Okay. The first girl, what is written? Rice. Very nice. Daily rice, whatever we eat, that she is telling. Correct. Rice. Biryani. Wow. His mother makes biryani by using rice. Correct? Kheer. Nice. This is a sweet dish made by rice and milk. Isn't it? roti, correct. We say bhakri also. Yes, chawal ki bhakri, that is made by rice. Modak, wow. In Ganpati we make modaks by using rice, correct. And coconut and jaggery. Pudding, yes, this also we make using rice, correct. Papad, nice. We use rice and urad dal to make papad. Very good. Dosa, yes, we make dosa by using rice. Idli, of course, rice is a must to make idli. Uttapa, yes, here also we use rice and onion and vegetables and all that to make the uttapas. Pulao, very nice. Here we use rice and vegetables to make pulao. Laddus, wow, great. We make laddus by using rice. Yes, see, we got so many names of dishes that are prepared using rice. Very nice, students. Now, we will see these pictures of these dishes. Okay. Dishes prepared from the rice. This is rice, you know. Okay, here pulao. See, it has rice as the main constituent and matar, carrots and all that vegetables we can see here. Laddus, very good. Chawal ke laddu. Then this is a pudding, that is a sweet. Dosa, whatever the students said, all is here. Modaks, kheer, wow. Idli chutney, idli is made using rice. Here coconut sweet, coconut and rice roll. These are papads. Yes, whatever the students said, all we can see in these pictures. Now students, now we will make a list of dishes prepared from the wheat. You know this is called wheat, gehu, correct? Yes, the main we make are paratas from these. These are appes, I think. Pav, sweet by using jaggery and wheat flour. These are rotis or called chapatis, donuts, and this is sliced pav made from wheat. We make pav from maida also. This is special one made from wheat, and this is also a sweet dish used here, wheat flour and some dry fruits, correct? Yes, dear students, means we can make different types of dishes from only one ingredient. Got this? This is called variety. Yes, you can see here one map, that is map of India showing major food crops. Yes, dear students, you have to observe the index column. See there in the index rice, wheat and jawar. The symbols are shown here. We have to observe that one properly and then we have to move to the map. And here also up directions are shown. See this. This is also very important. Here up means this is north, this side east, this is south and this is west. You must know the directions properly while reading the map, and also you have to observe this index. Then only we can read the map. Okay. Some questions are there. We will go through. Here 4 questions are there. We will try to find out the answer here. Okay. First one, which food crop is grown on a large scale in the coastal region? See, dear student, coastal region is from here. Coastal region means region near the sea. Okay, this is called coastal region. Which crop you can see here? See, go to the index. See there. See the symbols. Yes, we can see this rice. Correct? These shows the rice crops, paddy fields near the coastal region. Okay. Now the answer for the first one is rice. Second, which food crops are grown in North India? See, where is north? See, here it is north, means upside. Here we can see North India. Okay, this is all North India. Which crop we can see here? Mostly we can see wheat, some jawar and rice also we can see. Correct? Okay. And we will move to the third one. Which is the major food crop in the central India? This is the central portion, heart of the India, central portion. Which are the different crops we can see? Major is, I think, wheat. Correct? Major. So many wheat symbols we can see here. This all. And only some we can see jawar symbols, and less we can see rice symbols. So the major food crop is nothing but wheat. Got this? The fourth question. Rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part. This is southern. South. Where is south? Here this is south. Means this is southern part. Correct? In the southern part of India, why is this so? Yes, dear students, we know that we grow the crops depending on the climate and the people's need and the rainfall and sunlight. All these factors, the crops are dependent. Correct? So that we grow rice in southern part because we get much rainfall in southern part of India, and we get the climate is also good for rice, and people's need is also rice only. So we grow rice on a large scale in southern part of India. Got this, students? Agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. It is mainly dependent on rainfall. Yes, students, you know that agriculture is our main occupation, correct? And we grow different cereals, different vegetables, different fruits, different pulses according to the regions, correct? Now, some crops need heavy rainfall and some crops need moderate rainfall and some crops need very less rainfall, correct? According to the climate, we grow crops to get nice product. Got this? We will study about the different crops according to the rainfall. In regions of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi and varai are grown. We will see rice, coconut, ragi and varai. Means these 4 crops, they need much water. Means heavy rainfall is required to grow all these crops. Got this, students? Wheat, tur and soybean are grown in regions of moderate rainfall. Yes, dear students, just now we studied through the map that wheat is grown mostly in North India because we receive moderate rainfall in North India and climate is good for wheat, so we grow them in moderate rainfall. See tur dal, soybean. These need moderate rainfall. Got this? Jawar, bajra and moth beans are grown in regions of low rainfall. See, this is jawar. You know this. This is bajra and this is moth beans. In Hindi Marathi we say matki. Okay. These crops need less rainfall. Okay. See, according to the rainfall, we grow the crops in that places. To help crops to grow well. Means, dear students, here some factors are there that are very necessary for crops to grow well. Okay. Now we will see which are that. These factors. Number 1, good seeds. Yes, healthy seeds make healthy crops. Second one is sufficient sunlight. You know students, plants need sunlight for photosynthesis. Correct? They use sunlight during photosynthesis to make their food. Third one is fertile soil. Yes, it is very important. Fertile soil gives them whatever that minerals and vitamins they need. And water is most important to grow. Correct? Yes, in presence of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide, photosynthesis process occurs and plant prepares its own food. You know this, correct? So these are the different factors that are necessary for plant to grow well. Okay, see the picture. These are nothing but different types of fruits, correct? This is a picture of a fruit seller. He displayed different types of fruits nicely. We can see here bananas, custard apples, grapes, oranges, apples, jamuns, guavas, pears, then mangoes also are there, and you can see different strawberries are there, correct? Different types of fruits we can see here. Cashew nuts also are there, correct? Now, can you tell me all these fruits you get regularly, means throughout the year? No, right? Some fruits we get seasonal. We don't get grapes, mangoes all through the year, right? We get bananas throughout the year. We get apples also throughout the year. Correct? We will study about these. Look at the fruits in the picture. See, different fruits are shown here. Jackfruit, banana, mango, chiku, pear is there, then strawberry is there, grapes, etc. We will go through these fruits according to the seasons. See, in the summer we get mango, watermelon, banana, etc. Means these fruits we get in summer in more quantity. In rainy season we get jamun, strawberries, apple, pomegranate, etc. in more quantity. Got this? Nowadays, through the advanced technology, we can grow these fruits in different seasons also, but in more quantity we get in the specified seasons. Winter season, we get jackfruit, kiwi, grapes, pear, etc. In Konkan or the coastal region, rice, coconut and coconut oil are widely used. See, according to the climate and according to the crops available, because they grow in large amount. So the people use all these. This is in Konkan region. And in central Maharashtra, jawar, bajra, groundnuts, soybean, sesame and mustard are more commonly used because they grow in more quantity in that region. Got this? So people also like that one and they also need that in more quantity like this. In different regions we can see different staple food according to the climate and people's need. Now students, we will go through the dishes from different states. See, this is a meal plate of Uttar Pradesh. You can see here different types of vegetables, roti and curd. See, this is of Andhra Pradesh. Here different types of rice we can see. Again here uddin vada and roti, pickle, different types of vegetables, chutney is there, banana is there. See, this is a meal of Kerala, fish food and different rice, types of rices are there and salad is there, curries are there, salads are there. You can see, you only go through Gujarat plate. See these different types of vegetables. They are foodies. They like to eat different types of vegetables and you can see there papad, sweet dish is there, dhokla is there, pickle, chutney, curd, correct? Lassi is there. This plate is of Tamil Nadu. We can see here different types of vegetables and rice is there, salad is there, curries are there, different types of, correct? And this one is of Goa. We can see here rice and fish because that is the staple food of Goa. Different types of curries are there, right? And again pickle is there. This is of Maharashtra, our state. Here sweet is there, shira you can see, and sabudana vada is there, and different types of vegetables, rice, pav, roti, curd, right? We all have this. This is of Karnataka. Different types of rice we can see here, and vegetables also we can see, curries we can see, pickle and salads, isn't it? So according to the region, the dishes differ because the people's need differs according to the climate. Got this? Always remember, a region's climate soil, water and people's need determine the crops that are grown in that region, and also their staple diet. Staple diet means main constituent of our diet, like our rice and chapati of Maharashtra. Got this? What we have learned, we will go through. Diversity in food items. Food items vary according to the region. You know that. The availability of grain, fruits and vegetables depend on the seasons. Means we don't get all the fruits and all types of vegetables throughout the year. They are seasonal. The various food items in Maharashtra and the neighboring states. Right? We saw the meal plates of different states. Correct? Circle the odd one out in the given food items. Write why it is the odd one. Okay, we don't write, we will discuss. Okay, this is for evaluation. First one, mango pickle, mango jam and mango pulp. Which is the odd one? Again read this, mango pickle made up of mango. Okay, mango means only mango, that is fruit. Mango jam means made up of mango. Mango pulp, this is also taken out from mango. So the odd one is mango. Correct? Because it is a fruit. And rest three items are made using mango. Second, pulao, paratha, dahi bhat, biryani. Go through once again. Pulao, paratha, dahi bhat, biryani. You are right. The answer is paratha, because pulao, dahi bhat and biryani are the different dishes made from rice. Correct? And paratha we make from wheat. Third, Mysore pak, this is a sweet dish. Puran poli, that is also a sweet dish. Thalipeeth and Junka bhakar. Come on, tell me. Which is the odd one? What do you guess? Yes, dear students, here Mysore pak is odd one, because Mysore pak is made up of besan. Got? And rest all this Puran poli, Thalipeeth and Junka bhakar, that is like parathas, but Mysore pak is a sweet dish. Got this? Mysore pak is a sweet dish like halwa, and Puran poli, Thalipeeth and Junka bhakar are the rotis, different types of rotis. Okay? One activity for you. This is a map of Maharashtra showing famous food items in Maharashtra and neighboring states. Okay? Now this is on page number 39 of your textbook. Okay, please open this page, and there is one table below that you have to go through. In that table it is asked, name the district, state, which are the food items. You can see here that you have to write in the table, and which is the main ingredient used to make that food item, that you have to write. Example, I will tell you, rice bakri. Okay, that is in Maharashtra. See, this is, you can see here, this is rice bakri. Okay, this is rice bakri. This is in Maharashtra state. We have to write Maharashtra. Okay, and if you want to write district, that is you can write Raigad and Thane also. Okay, and main ingredient used is rice. Okay, like this you have to write in the table. This is for you. You have to complete this in page number 39 of your textbook. Okay, students. Thank you.